Welcome back. Well, it's been another warm and humid day with scattered showers and some very intense thunderstorms across the area. And the thunderstorms are the highlights. So let's get over to the key wall and let's start talking about what we have going on. We have a weak upper level disturbance that has been pushing on through, finally igniting storms across the area. And it's been scattered in nature, but we have a cluster going on right now across just north of I-10 as producing torrential downpours across portions of St. Landry, Upper St. Martin Parish, back through Acadia Parish and western portions of the St. Landry Parish Panhandle, a few other cells here and there. But of great interest to us is this activity that has been ongoing. Very intense downpours, some gusty winds reported in the Eunice area, maybe a potential tornado. Haven't gotten any tornadic reports, nor have we had a warning for this part of the storm. But the threat of very heavy rainfall on the rainfall rates of about 1 to 2 inches per hour, and it's lasting a little bit longer than that. And where you see this bright white highlighted here, this is where we're probably seeing some hail developing and maybe some fairly large hail as well, quarter size or bigger. So doing some storm tracking here. Let me go ahead and query some of these storms in this one cell here by Eunice. Let's see what it's showing, up to 1.9 inch size hail. So that is some pretty big hail just south of the Eunice area again. And then we'll take a look at this particular cell that has been producing, it looks like, up to quarter size hail, saying up to about 1.6 inches in hail size diameter. So we have this colder air aloft, this pocket of colder air aloft with the disturbance that's been igniting the storms in this cell over here by Krotz Springs. Let's see, that's probably P or maybe nickel size hail, so not a major concern. But we do have a warning for this hail, and here's the hail size here. We were showing up to about 1.5 inches, and you can see this is what we call our hail tracker, and we're pushing about 1 inch when you get in the darker shade of blue. And again, we have a little bit more action. This is mainly small hail across portions of this would be P size by the Church Point area, and then also south by Eunice. So by far the strongest cell right now is in the extreme northeastern portion of Lafayette Parish, off toward the Wilderness Trail area, and then as you get into the swampy areas. And thus National Weather Service has a severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect till 6:45 p.m. for the aforementioned hail, and on top of that the potential for strong and gusty winds. In fact, let's just go ahead and just go back to the velocity data here so we can just kind of keep an eye on things, and let's put this in motion. Just want to make sure we're not missing any tornadic activity. But notice this activity is kind of dropping to the south, so we'll get back the radars and push this in motion over the last 2 hours. You can see how things have not been moving a whole lot across the area and is slowly dropping southward. So some pretty heavy rains and localized street flooding likely in the next hour or two. That activity, though, diminishes by 10 o'clock tonight. We start off tomorrow quiet, but yet another disturbance moving in. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Half of us don't get rain, the other half do, and a few isolated spots could get heavy downpours. And then as we head into Thursday, it looks like activity becoming more widely scattered in nature. So showers and thunderstorms through early this evening. They end by 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. Warm and humid otherwise. Patchy fog possible toward daybreak, especially where we have those rain areas, and we'll be watching for the potential flooding over the next few hours on top of that severe weather threat. Warm and humid tomorrow with scattered showers, few thunderstorms, breezier in the afternoon. And tomorrow, like today, you could argue for a 60% chance, 40% chance, or 20% chance, depending on how things flesh out tomorrow. So it's still a pretty good chance of showers and storms tomorrow. Those rain chances dropping down as we head into what's going to be a hot festival international. In fact, the forecast for Saturday and Sunday, pre-summer heat indices approaching 90 degrees more than likely, or the lower 90s with highs in the upper 80s, and plenty of sun, especially as we head into Sunday. So it's time for hats and sunblock, no matter what your skin type this weekend. That's it for weather for now. We'll have a severe weather update coming up later in the show.